Borman-Harris Florence house, circa 1859, built in the Italianate and Romanesque Revival styles. Kenner S. Borman purchased a half full block lot in Moorhead and Neal's Addition for $1,400 in 1858. In 1863, the year Abraham Lincoln appointed Borman as postmaster of Parkersburg, he constructed his mansion in the fashionable Italianate style, with wide, overhanging bracketed eaves, horizontal attic windows, and a belvedere on the roof offering a view across the Ohio River. Borman's widow, M. Teresa Borman, lived here until her death in 1914. The Borman's only son, Robert J. A. Borman, inherited the house and in 1922 left it to cousins in California. In 1924, Thomas L. Harris, M.D., a prominent surgeon, and his wife, Caroline Neal Harris, purchased the house and raised their daughters, Caroline and Ruth, here. In the dining room, the planning took place in 1929 for the building of St. Joseph's Hospital. Dr. Harris was a member of the Board of Regents of West Virginia University and the president of the State Medical Board. Many famous persons were entertained at the house over the years, including Admiral Richard Byrd, Amelia Earhart, and Senator Robert Kennedy. After his first wife died, Dr. Harris's second wife continued the gracious hospitality of the house. In 1998, the Harris heirs sold the house to John and Linda Florence. Two major exterior renovations have drastically altered the original Italianate architecture. Around 1890, the Bormans added the three-story bay window tower in the Romanesque Revival style to the dining room. In the 1930s, the Harrises removed the earlier porch and replaced it with a large colonial revival veranda with tall classical columns with Corinthian capitals. They also added the garage. The Florences have undertaken interior renovation that includes creating a large modern kitchen and family eating area in the north wing. The house has 10 large rooms with 11-foot ceilings on the main floor and 9 fireplaces, some with original marble mantels. The library is encased in walnut over cork on walls and ceiling to create a soundproof environment for Dr. Harris to work. The hallway that extends from front to back of the house still has the original pigeon blood transom and sidelights around the doorways.